Black Friday and Christmas are coming up. Are you ready for it? This might be the most important time of the year where brands can make most of their money. So you'll want to plan ahead to make sure you take advantage of it. In this video, we're looking at 5 customizations that we're making to our stores that you can do too, that will help nudge customers to buy your stuff. And if you're watching this video in the future and Black Friday is over or Christmas is over, what we talk about in this video is still valid for any promotion that you might be running at any time of the year. So let's take a look. Before we get into the customizations, we'll talk a little bit about your promotion. And your promotion might be a gift with purchase, some limited time only special edition product, but most people just run a sale. So let's assume that's what you're doing. Our 5 customizations today will help your promotions do better, but there's going to be a theme throughout all of these suggestions. And it's about reminding customers that they're getting a great deal. Especially if it's Black Friday, Cyber Monday, the average buyer is often just looking for what feels like a deal, regardless of how good that deal actually is. All right, so let's start with sale badges. To make it more obvious that your products are on sale, you can add these badges to your products on the collection page. By default, Shopify already has this feature enabled, but they'll simply say sale instead of 50% off, which I think is actually a lot more compelling. The calculation for this is actually a customization that we did in another video. So if you want to learn the details on how to actually make that calculation and make those text modifications, check that video out, and I'll put in the description below. So next we have sticky announcement bars. So we have this bar here. Let's go to a different page where there's actually some scrolling needed. So you can actually see that it's staying right up at the top there. The sticky announcement bar is kind of like your flashing neon sign. It's at the top of your page, and every customer is going to see it. So use it to your advantage. Tell them what they should know, like in this case, your promotion, your sale. This is a customization that we did. It's not a feature that's available from Shopify out of the box. I have another video on this. Again, it's going to be in the description below. So if you want to implement this, I've got all the details in there in that video. So let's move on to the next thing. So we've got sale collections in the menu bar. So you can see here 50% off sale in the menu bar, and it's actually sticky just like the announcement bar. So we can hop into our collection here, 50% off Black Friday sale, and it's got all of our sale items in that collection. Your menu bar is like the map of your website, and you want clear signage to lead them to where you want them to go. So if you have a sale going on, then create a collection specific to that sale, put it in your menu bar so that it's just very easy for your customers to find it. It's kind of similar to the announcement bar because they're both sticky, they're both at the top, but the announcement bar is kind of like the what. So what is the sale? And the menu bar with the collection is the where. How do I get there? Again, if you want to learn how to modify your menu bar so it's sticky or adding something into the navigation menu, then just check out the video in the description below. So next, now that we're on the product page and you've told them the what, which is the sale, you've told them the where, how to get there. Now you can tell them how, right? So if it's a big sale like Black Friday, sometimes just giving them a little bit of an extra nudge is all it takes to get them to buy. And so having a sticky add to cart like that can be a way to nudge them, right? So they're going to see this pop up when they're navigating to a different part of the product page. And you still have in bright red that they're saving 50% off. So it's just that extra reminder that they're getting a deal. So this is another customization that is in another video, sticky add to cart. So if you're interested in implementing that, we've got that video as well. Just check it out in the description below. One other thing I wanted to show you is actually that the mobile version is also sticky, but it actually pops up from the bottom right there. So that's what that looks like. And you've got that red text, save 50%, just as a visual reminder that they're getting that deal. Finally, we've got our hero image or banner images. This one's pretty straightforward. If you've built a Shopify store, you probably know how to change the hero image. You can just go to the theme editor and customize, and it's just right on this page right here. So you can change that image. But you'd be surprised sometimes how brand owners actually just don't really change this image. And if it's a big sale like Black Friday, you're going to want to brand your store with this sale so that they know what's going on. And so this is just more of a reminder that if you've got a great promotion going on, you should also update your hero image to match so that it's front and center for your customers. Okay, so there we have it. 5 ways you can update your store to get more out of this holiday season or any sort of promotion sale that you're running. It may feel that we're just constantly reminding the customers about this sale, but people have short attention spans and short memories. Have you heard of the rule of 7? It says that it takes seeing the same message 7 times before someone is ready to buy. So by making these changes, you can keep reminding your customers about your promotion, which could push them over the edge to buy your stuff. Anyway, that's it for today. Check out the other videos in the description if you need any additional details on how to implement any of the suggestions I've made today. And thanks, and see you in the next one.